What is your name?
My name is David.
Hello, David. How old are you?
I'm 7.
Very good. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Wow, good job. So let's start. Ready?
Yes.
Yes, good job. Okay, what is it?
It's pen. It's pencil.
It's a
Eraser.
very good.
It's a ruler.
Yes, very good.
It's a pencil case. It's a papa.
Good job. Okay, what is it?
It's a book. It's a notebook. It's a tray. It's a tray.
Yes, very good. High five. Okay, so look at this one. You will tell me it's, for example, it's a book. It isn't a notebook. Can you say it? It's a book.
It
Isn't a
notebook.
Okay, very good. How about this one? It's a what? Okay.
It is a tray.
Wow, very good. How about this one? It's a
It is a tray.
yes, very good. Okay, good job. Okay, what shape is it? Sir? Oh, sir? Yes. Yes, very good. Wow. Okay, if teacher asks you question, you will say, what is it? Yes, it is. What is it? No, it isn't. Okay, very good. Okay, teacher said, is it a circle?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Is it a triangle?
Yes, it is.
Okay, is it a triangle?
Now it isn't.
Okay, is it a circle?
Now it isn't.
Ah, good job, David. Okay, so teacher asked you, what's this?
Pen.
Okay, what's this?
This is drum.
Okay, what's this?
This is jet.
Okay, what's this?
This is purple.
Paper.
Pink.
Okay, very good. What's this?
This is blue.
Okay, what's this?
This is drum.
Yeah, good job. Okay, what color is it?
Jet. Yellow. Blue. White.
Okay, good. Okay, teacher asks you what color is it? You say it's red, it's yellow, it's black. Ready? Okay, what color is it? It's
It's jet. It's yellow. It's blue. It's white. It's black.
good job. Okay, what color is it? It's
Green.
okay.
It's purple. It's orange. It's pink. It's red. It's brown.
Yes, okay, so last one. Okay, so going to next. Okay, so for example, we have blue.
Blue and yellow make green.
Yes, very good. How about this one?
Red and blue make purple.
Wow, very good. How about this one?
Red and white make pink.
Very good job. How about this one?
White
White and
make
okay, white and